Hello students, welcome to Power Tutorials. So today we will see question number 24 of 2024 Maths Standard Set 1 questions. In the previous videos I have covered question number 21, how to solve it using elimination as well as substitution method. And also I have covered question number 22 where the pack of cards that is regarding probability question on cards question. And probability and 23rd question regarding to trigonometry question is also covered. So I will keep those two links in the description. So if you want to have a glance, you can check through this. Let's start question number 24. So this is a geometric type of question. So what is the question we'll see now? It is saying that in the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Diagonal BD bisects angle B, angle D both. Prove that ABD is similar to triangle CBD and AB is equal to BC. Okay, so if you see this diagram, they're saying that BD is the diagonal. Okay, BD is the diagonal which is bisecting. So what is meant by bisecting? Bisecting means dividing into two equal halves. Okay, so here they say that B and D both. So this angle and this angle are getting bisected. That means if this is X, this part is X, then this part is Y. Sorry, this part is also X. Same way, if this part is Y, this part is also Y. Because as I mentioned, bisecting means dividing into two equal halves. Okay, now we have to prove this triangle ABD and CBD. And always remember, for similarity triangles the order is very important. So I mean to say that A is similar to C, B is similar to B, and D is similar to D. Okay, so to prove similarity concepts, we have total 4 things, which are AA similarity, AAA similarity, SAS and ASA. So among this we'll see which we can use it to get this similarities concept. So if you take these two triangles ABD and CBD, what we have two angles equal, which is X, that is angle ADB is equal to angle CDB, equal angles from 1, or you can also say given. Same way we also have another angle which is Y angle, that is CBD is equal to ABD. This is also given because they are clearly mentioned they are bisecting. So using the first concept, that is AA similarity, I can prove that both these triangles are similar. So I will say using AA similarity, that is if two angles of two triangles are equal, then those two triangles are similar. Hence, first one, the triangle is ABD is similar to CBD. ABD is similar to triangle CBD. To confirm also, I'll just show it here. If you see ADB, CDB, just see the same order, or else ABD they have mentioned. Okay, A is similar to C here, D is D and B is B. A is similar to C, B is B, D is D. So that's order is very important. Same way here also if you compare, it will be exactly same. Since first is done, what about second one? They are saying that AB is equal to BC. AB is this one, BC is this one. They are asking to prove those two are equal. So for this we have to use the congruency concept. So for congruency we have 3 terms: ASA, SAS and SSS. That means if 3 sides are equal or two sides and one angle are equal, and if two angles and one side are equal, then we say that congruence. Congruence in sense all the sides as well as angles are equal. So let's prove that these are congruence. Congruence properties. Congruence means exactly equal, whereas similarities means similar, but somewhat is same but not exactly equal. Okay, so for example, I'll show once more. If I say I have a triangle 1 1 1, I have another triangle 2 2 2, then I can say that these two triangles are similar, not equal, not congruent. So if they have 2 2 2 and another triangle also 2 2 2, then I can say these two triangles are congruent. That's the main difference between these two. Okay, so let's see whether these we have to prove whether that these two triangles are congruent. So to prove congruent, I will use this concept ASA, because I have two angles. You can see here I already have two angles which are equal, and we also have one more point which is BD. Two angles are equal and the common side is BD is equal to BD, common side. Okay, if two angles and the corresponding side is also important, that means these two angles are present in this side, and same way for this triangle also these two sides are present to this side. So hence, using ASA similarity, triangle ABD, I can say these are congruent to triangle CBD. If triangles are congruent, then the sides are also, respective sides are also equal. So they are asking which sides, AB and BC. You can see here AB and CB. CB you can also write it as BC also. Hence, AB is equal to BC. This is second part. So hope you understood how we solved first and second part. So in the next video, I will cover question number 25. So let's meet with this next video. Please subscribe and get notification enabled so that you can get the notification for the next video. Thank you.